Today, we're taking a closer look at a true classic, the 1948 Healey Roadster. A beautiful example of post-war British engineering, this car is a symbol of style, performance, and craftsmanship. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a fan of classic cars, you're in for a treat today. We're diving deep into the 1948 Healey Roadster, a car that perfectly blends elegance and performance. Let's take a look at what makes this beauty so special. Exterior. First, let's talk about the exterior. The Healey Roadster's design is a stunning example of late 1940s automotive styling. With its sleek, flowing lines and long hood, this car was built to stand out. Notice the wide chrome grille, which gives it that unmistakable British roadster look. Built from lightweight materials, the body of the Healey Roadster is compact, with its front fenders flaring out just enough to give it a bold stance. The car sits on 16-inch wire-spoked wheels, with beautiful chrome hubcaps. And those oversized chrome bumpers. They add both elegance and protection. One of the standout features of this car are its round, illuminated headlights. They're classic, yet practical, giving it an aggressive yet charming front profile. The paint job is a deep, glossy finish, often seen in shades like British racing green, which adds to its timeless appeal. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of art. Interior. Now, let's step inside and check out the interior. It's as beautiful as the exterior, combining vintage charm with simple, functional design. The cabin is simple yet refined. The leather upholstery is luxurious to the touch, and the dashboard is adorned with vintage dials, each one designed for function and elegance. You have a large, easy-to-read speedometer and tachometer, as well as small gauges that show oil pressure, fuel levels, and voltage. One thing that stands out is the wood-rimmed steering wheel, which gives it a touch of class. The entire interior feels like it was built for the driver. Everything is within reach, designed for an immersive driving experience. Of course, no Roadster would be complete without a precise, mechanical gearshift. The Healey Roadster features a 4-speed manual transmission, perfect for those who love the engagement of a real driver's car. Performance. Now, let's talk about the performance. Under the hood, this Healey is powered by a 2.4-liter, inline-6 engine. It produces just over 100 horsepower, which, for a car weighing just over 2,000 pounds, gives it more than enough power to thrill. While it may not be a modern powerhouse, its performance is all about balance, crisp handling, a smooth ride, and an unforgettable driving experience. Even though it's from 1948, the Healey Roadster's performance still holds up today. The lightweight chassis allows for quick, responsive handling, while the suspension keeps things smooth on a variety of surfaces. So, whether you're looking for a car with classic British design, a car that delivers in the performance department, or just a vehicle that stands out from the crowd, the 1948 Healey Roadster delivers in spades. In conclusion, the 1948 Healey Roadster is more than just a vintage car, it's a testament to the craftsmanship and design that made British roadsters so iconic. It might not be the fastest or the most luxurious car of its time, but it's certainly one of the most charming. Whether you're a collector or just a fan of classic cars, the Healey Roadster is a model that deserves a closer look. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more classic car content. If you've got any thoughts on the Healey Roadster, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, drive safely.